Hello and welcome friends, my name is Devashish and today I am unboxing Asus Vivo PC. Asus Vivo PC is mini Intel 4th generation Celeron processor streaming PC. You can use it wherever whenever you want. All you need to connect this PC with TV, monitor or LED with HDMI cable. It has Intel HD graphics, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now let's open this and see what we have in the box. So here is Vivo PC. We'll talk about this PC later. First let's see the other things. Here is warranty card, user manual, quick start guide, one DVD and VESA mount kit. You can connect this PC into VESA mount kit and place it behind your monitor so that if you don't have much space, this is really helpful. Now let's see here. Here we have power cord and AC adapter and some screws. Now let's talk about this PC, which is really small and stylish. Metal aluminum look and really nice design and little bit heavy too. Here we have inbuilt Sonic master speaker, so you don't need to connect external speaker. We'll see the effect later. Here is power button and this is air vent for cooling. Then here is power connector port to connect power adapter to start the PC. Then MMC SD card slot. Then here is lock, which I'll talk about later. Then 4 USB 3.0 port for faster file transfer. Then HDMI and display port to connect LED monitor or TV. Then here is LAN port to use internet, and this PC has Wi-Fi also. Then 2 USB 2.0 port, mic and headphone jack. And here is digital audio output. So the special thing about Vivo PC is it has Vivo dual boot technology. You can install hard disk and RAM in this PC. First, you need to unlock this button. Then open this front panel like this, slide and open it. There is not any inbuilt hard disk or RAM in this PC, so you need to install that. Here you can install RAM, so first let's open this. And then install RAM in this slot. There are 2 slots for RAM, so you can install 2 RAMs and you can upgrade RAM up to 16 GB. And here you can install SSD or HDD. You can install 2 SSD together or 1 HDD. Like this you can install 2 hard disks. There are 2 SSD slots in this PC, so that you can install 2 SSD together for more space. Now let's close this panel. Now let's start this PC. Connect this power adapter, then press power button. You can see these lights, that means it's on now. Then connect keyboard, mouse and connect HDMI cable into LED monitor or TV. You can see all set up and now it's ready to use. You can even connect your pen drive also and you can access easily. You can play songs. And as I said before, this PC has internal speakers, so you don't need to attach external speaker, and sound quality is also really good. You can even watch your favorite movies also. Basically, Vivo PC is small but powerful. You can use it for daily computing, traveling, for movies or basic computer work also. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you have any question, you can comment below, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.